Hello guys, welcome back, and this is another sketch for this afternoon. So this girl had this side of her face covered with her hair, and she also had her hand up here, and the rest of the head was actually missing from the photo. So this was, all three were under the good speed, which is 4 minutes maximum. Originally I was using the full 4 minutes, but now I have gradually reduced the time. Purely I'm just trying to get as much good effective drawing in as possible, as well as laying out the foundations and the structure quickly and effectively, so that I can then in the future move on to the actual main piece of basically painting or charcoals or pencils. So this is the initial first stage, obviously, is laying out where things are going to be. The first one was 3 minutes, the other two were 2.5 minutes. I utilised geometric and observational methods, as well as gestural for the hair. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please let me know. And for those who do check in on my channels, if I'm repeating myself repeatedly, I'm sorry. This is also a log for myself to tell my future self what I used. I'm really happy with the results. As I said, my speed is increasing and my proportions are progressing as well, and I can actually see a difference in my my drawings, or my sketches I should say. So yeah, please let me know what you think, and also to the subscribers, you guys are awesome. Thanks guys.